If you like quick, easy, and delicious Easter goodies, this video's for you.
Hi everybody, Janelle from East Coast Mommy, and I'm back with some fantastic dessert ideas for Easter that you are going to love. I've got some really yummy goodies and a few shortcuts to share. So let's get started. First up is a no-bake mini egg Easter cheesecake. You're going to need some jars or little dishes because we're going to make individual ones. You're going to need a no-bake cheesecake mix and of course some mini eggs, whichever ones you like.
First, you make the bottom layer of the cheesecake. You add the graham cracker mix out of the package, throw in some butter, and add a couple tablespoons of sugar, just according to the package directions. Then you stir it up until it's all mixed. Then you're going to take the mixture and divide it evenly between 6 containers. I used a couple of ramekins that I had in my cupboard, and I also had 4 little jam jars that I found at the dollar store. I found it difficult to press it down with my spoon, so I took a little round piece of plastic that I had. A piece of cardboard would work too. I folded it up in foil, and then I used that to push down the crust. Then I set my jars aside and mixed up the cheesecake layer. I emptied the pouch from the package, added cold milk, and beat it at medium for about 3 minutes until it got really thick. Again, I mixed up this layer according to the package directions. Then I took the cheesecake mixture and added a layer on top of the graham cracker bottom. I used a spoon, but I think the next time I would use a piping bag. It would just be a little bit neater. But I just divided the mixture evenly into the 6 jars. Then to finish off my cheesecakes and make them Eastery, I think that's a word, I took my candy coated chocolate eggs, put them in a bag and hit them with my meat tenderizer. I just left them in kind of big chunks. You could use a rolling pin too, but I found the meat tenderizer worked perfect. I added a layer of crushed mini eggs to the top of each of my cheesecakes, and then I replaced the lids, covered up the ramekins, and put them in the fridge for 1 hour. You can serve them as is, but I added a bit of twine and a little bow to the front of mine to make them look extra cute. These are great to serve to guests and family, but it's also a fun little take-home gift.
Seriously, how cute is this? And let's give it a taste. Down to the bottom. Oh, now that doesn't say Easter. Oh my God.
Another really easy dessert is to make Easter brownies from a mix. So you take a mix. This one was one I picked up at the dollar store. I added the oil and the water and the egg according to the package directions. I stirred it up with a fork just until it was combined. And then I poured the mixture into a glass baking dish that I had greased. Before I stuck the brownies in the oven, I added some candy-coated chocolate eggs to a bag and I crushed them up with a meat tenderizer. Not totally powder, just kind of broken up. Then I sprinkled them on top of the brownie mixture and stuck it in the oven and baked it according to package directions. And that's it. This is so easy, festive, and fun. You can also add mini eggs to your favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. I love these, and I'll leave a link to my recipe below. And these no-bake chocolate Easter cookies are my absolute favorite, so I'll leave the link to the recipe for these in the description below as well.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.